This is the story of a single component, but not just any component. A component that is absolutely critical in the operation of today's advanced, clean-burning diesel engines, making possible greater emissions reduction, increased power, and better fuel efficiency. This is the story of an advanced whole-set turbocharger. It's a story of manufacturing excellence, quality, and attention to detail. Yet, in truth, this story actually begins far from the assembly line, as individual components are created around the world, like these compressor housings cast and machined in India, or these impellers made in New Hampshire, USA, and these shaft and wheel assemblies made in China, or even these nozzle rings made just down the road from our plant.
We receive components from China, India, Switzerland, England, Mexico, Canada, and also United States. We start with the supplier selection tool. We have an effective and detailed procedure and process to select suppliers. We need to make sure that every component that arrives in these plants is on the perfect conditions to be used in our assembly lines.
These key components, along with many others, all come together at CTP. And it is only through the skill, dedication, and expertise of the people that work here, along with advanced manufacturing processes and procedures, that the world's most advanced turbochargers are produced.
How do we know we make the best turbos on the market? It's all part of our value package. I think it's the way we design review. We use our performance criteria. We have some of the best compressor efficiencies in the marketplace for turbochargers, which means that our turbos provide a air handling fuel efficiency advantage to our customers. We do that by managing tolerances of matching components much tighter than what our competition do. We are able to do that by our precision machining processes, our assembly and test methods, our gauging and process management methods that we buy and build into our assembly and test processes around the world. So the combination of all those events allow us to be what we think are the most competitive from a value package as well as a performance package turbocharger provider in the marketplace today.
Turbochargers made here enable diesel engines powering all kinds of equipment around the globe, create more power, and run more efficiently. Yet, taking the unfinished parts that arrive at the plant and turning them into advanced turbochargers takes the efforts of many highly capable individuals working in concert. This is truly the case when it comes to the impeller and the shaft and wheel assemblies. Consider that the turbocharger spins at speeds of up to 130,000 RPM. That's about 30 times faster than most automobile engines. So these vital parts must be able to withstand the extremely high velocities within the turbocharger. In order to do this, components must first be machined to exacting tolerances.
We follow a strict process of doing it right the first time. And by doing it right the first time, we make sure that the process that we put in place, the associates are following it the way they're supposed to be followed, not just doing what you feel like doing. It's done that way so every product can be done and made right the first time.
Each impeller also goes through a precise balancing procedure to ensure that its performance is reliable in the most demanding environments. Altogether, these components will go through more than 20 individual machining operations, and each one must be completed flawlessly.
And, it goes through so many different processes over in our area, and when one of us succeeds, all of us succeed. So each one of us have a job to do in that area to make sure that that finished part is what's needed to go into that turbo.
Next, these critical components come together on one of the plant's assembly lines. Here, attention to detail and quality checks along every step of the way enable the plant's skilled assembly teams to build world-class turbochargers. There are several layers of prevention and detection built into the assembly process to ensure that quality products are built every time. For instance, there are multiple attribute gauges throughout the line to ensure that only the right parts are used. Fail-safes, such as the leak test, ensure that all components have been assembled precisely and are within specification. And processes throughout assembly and throughout the plant are run by computerized systems to closely track and monitor production and quality data. Plus, advanced robotic systems are employed for critical procedures to virtually eliminate variability.
Fail-safing is very critical to quality of our product. We have a lot of associates here. They work very hard trying to make sure that they perform the processes as it states in the standard of work, and fail-safing helps them complete that task.
Next, the assembled turbochargers are tested and made ready for shipment.
Once the customer places an order with us and they have an expectation of what we're going to send them, so we go through the process of pulling and picking the order, verifying that we have the appropriate turbos for that order, and then we send an automatic shipping notification so that the customer will know exactly what is coming to their door so that they can know how to stage their lines as well as what engines to begin to build.
The turbochargers made here go to customers around the world, as well as many customers within North America, such as Dodge and the legendary Ram turbo diesel pickup trucks, or the Cummins Jamestown engine plant, where this 400 series whole set variable geometry turbocharger with electric actuation is installed on the ISX-15 engine during the assembly process. From the Jamestown plant, engines are shipped to customers around the world, which then go into trucks like Peterbilt, one of the world's leading manufacturers of heavy-duty Class 8 trucks. Here, the engine and turbocharger are installed into the truck chassis, which in turn is purchased by customers, such as this distributor in the Charleston area. Then the turbocharger begins its life powering a Class 8 truck that transports freight of all kinds across the country, including the next shipment of advanced turbochargers made at the Charleston Turbo Plant. And so the story begins again. A story that is only told through the vital effort, skill, and commitment to quality of the people of the Charleston Turbocharger Plant. And that's the story within.